Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB text interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim. Sunroof. GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 37,470 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.